foreign ministers from the 54 Commonwealth countries are due to meet in Rwanda on Thursday. On their agenda, climate change, economic development and opportunities for young people, with 60% of the Commonwealth's population under the age of 30. Well, for the hosts, Rwanda, it's also an opportunity to showcase how it's trying to attract investment and how it's looking to transform the country into a Pan-African financial services hub. Well, joining me now is Nick Barigye, who's Chief Executive of Rwanda Finance, which is an agency which promotes international investment in the country. He joins me now from the Rwandan capital, Kigali. Thank you very much for being with us today, Nick. Tell us first of all about your pitch, about the investment potential in Rwanda that you're trying to sell.
Thank you for having me. Good morning. I think the pitch we are making is that Rwanda has made very modest progress over the last couple of years, and now it's the time for Rwanda to begin to position itself as a financial services hub. And this is built on three tenets. One, having a transparent and compliant jurisdiction. Two, Pan-African connectivity. And three, ease of doing business and operations and operating from Rwanda. That's Kigali International Financial Center's value propositions, is how do we facilitate investments? How do we facilitate trade within the context of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, while using Kigali International Financial Center as the platform?
How important is Rwanda's international image when it comes to attracting this investment? I mean, as someone who's out there flying the flag for the country, do you find investors still think about the Rwanda of yesterday and its dark past from the 90s?
Let's try to flash back most recently. In last year, July, Rwanda went on the global market to issue its Eurobond, which was heavily subscribed. I think that's testament to global confidence in the management of the Rwandan economy. But most, as recent as yesterday, we had Equity Group commit to invest in infrastructure to support the Kigali International Financial Center. This is a $100 million investment that Equity Group is making. We've seen the UNDP, through its very novel idea called Timbuktu, commit to put its headquarters in Kigali. We are seeing Afrexim Bank set up its fund for export development and promotion with headquarters in Kigali. Those are some of the cases that we are seeing that give us confidence on the path that we are on of positioning ourselves as an international financial center. I must hasten to add that as we talk about bouncing back from the pandemic, as we talk about building better, it's very important that financial services come at the forefront to provide opportunities of alternative sources of capital, because African businesses, all sectors, be it health, be it education, are in need of capital. And there is no better place to pull that capital than having an Pan-African financial center, such as Kigali International Financial Center.
Nick Barigye in Kigali, thank you very much and best of luck with your investor pitch opportunity later this week. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.